Consciousness is far beyond time and far beyond outer space and also far beyond inner space. Consciousness is dimensionless and shapeless. However, everything exists in consciousness. And consciousness acts in every human being as the observer. Below there is a link of a technique that I developed especially for scientists, for physicists, to have a direct experience on the origin of the observer, a direct experience of consciousness. So you observe this line that is moving in space with the open eyes, sure. You observe it for a few minutes and then you close your eyes, and your mind has a power to create imagine of the line that is moving. So you observe this for a while, and then you focus on the space. So don't focus anymore on the motion, but focus on the space. And if you are a lucky one, you will have experience that the one who is experiencing this motion of the line and who is experiencing the space is beyond. Practice this technique every day, and in a few weeks, in a few months, you will reach to the point. All theories of quantum consciousness are absolute nonsense. Consciousness is far, far, far beyond quanta. It is in the nature of scientific mind to grasp things, to understand things, to put things in mathematical models that somehow are the core of physics, of science. And then, sure, if you are lucky enough to prove with the experiment that your model is correct, presentation of something. For example, Penrose singularities are pure science fiction. They were never proved and they will never be proved. Also the initial singularities of the Big Bang. This is fanciful. These are fanciful ideas which are pseudoscience. This is not science. And when we enter the science of consciousness, we have to understand that consciousness is not something objective, as for example, black hole. Consciousness is subjective, and we can search consciousness only in a subjective way. That's why I developed this experiment, which is on the link below. And if you will practice it, this technique, you will see in a few weeks, you will get the point. But everybody who is searching in consciousness should understand that consciousness is beyond the rational thinking and cannot be grasped by the rational thinking. There's a guy in America, I guess, David Chalmers. He wrote an article or maybe even a book, I don't know, Hard Problem of Consciousness. Consciousness is not a problem at all. The problem arises when you start thinking too much about consciousness and building the models about consciousness. And then you spend the entire life on the hard problem of consciousness, teaching at universities. Nonsense. Instead of going inside and checking. So, you see this, you practice this, and you will see. You will see in a few weeks, tremendous progress can happen in your consciousness research.